Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically deactivate your Roblox account. So to do that, you're just going to select more here, then go to settings and go to privacy. Once you're in privacy, you are going to scroll down until you find account deactivation. Deactivating your account is reversible. Reversible, not reversible. Reversible, while deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. Select deactivate and select deactivate again. I'm not going to do that. I think you have to insert your password first before you deactivate. And then I think to reactivate, you just try to log in again and it will ask if you want to reactivate and you're just going to say yes. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!